In Japan. Joining us live is Dennis Lu. Dennis.
Hello, Alma. Good afternoon
Good
to you
afternoon.
and to all our televiewers. Yeah, just to give you an update of what's happening here in Japan. To reduce the chance of contact with humans this pandemic season of coronavirus, Minister Nishimura of the Economic Rehabilitation Division decided at the House of Representatives, House of Accounts Monitoring and Supervisory Committee that the request for leave of absence should reduce to a minimum. He stated that he would support the prefectural governor to take appropriate measures. A member of the Constitutional Democratic Party and other parties, Kenji Eda, said that while reducing opportunities for contact with people, he said they tried to reduce it by 70 to 80%. However, it is not very easy. They also think that the more strict measures and the using of force for businesses going online could only cause a failure. Because of such, the Minister of Economic Revitalization, Nishimura, who is in charge of the special measures law, said the law entails restrictions on private rights and the measures to be taken must be kept to a minimum. They can't tolerate doing so extensive over the net. He also said that he would like to support the prefectural governor in taking appropriate measures to contain infectious diseases, judging by listening to the opinions of experts while looking at the data. In addition, Minister of Health, Labor and Welfare, Mr. Kato, said the Abigan, which is expected as a therapeutic drug, has already begun clinical trials, but decided to measure the effect in its well-balanced manner, not only in the severely ill, but also in the mildly ill. In other news, more cooperation is needed to finish the emergency in 1 month. In a conference, Secretary General Suga called for further cooperation in reducing the chance of contact with people and expressed the intention to support business operators working at home. In this report, Secretary General Khan mentioned with the current number of infected people that's increasing, it is not possible to take any effective measures. In addition, the number of commuters is still not sufficiently reduced in relation to the reduction target. So office work can be done at home. As a rule, at least 70% of attendees should be reduced even when work is absolutely necessary. A request that this be done through relevant ministries and agencies, including support for the introduction of telework. As of now, there are 6,748 cases, 98 deaths, 939 for confirmation, and 789 recoveries. Alma?
Other than coronavirus, Dennis, I think Japan is now experiencing some weather system over there.
That's correct, Alma. A low pressure system had and unstable atmospheric conditions are bringing strong winds and rain to many parts of western and eastern Japan. The rain intensified in Mie Prefecture, central Japan, on Monday morning. The city of Owase had 106 millimeters of rainfall in the hour through 2:46 a.m. Total rainfall in the 24-hour period through Monday morning in Owase was 305.5 millimeters, more than the monthly average for April. Very strong winds are also expected, mainly along coastal areas in West Monday and Monday. Maximum wind speeds through may reach 90 kilometers per hour in the regions of Tokai, Chugoku, Shikoku, and Kyushu, and nearly 83 kilometers per hour in Tohoku and Hokuriku. Gusts of 108 to 126 kilometers per hour and waves of more than 6 meters are also likely. Weather officials are urging caution for strong winds, high waves, as well as landslides, flooding, and swollen rivers. They also warn of lightning strikes and gusty winds.
All right. All right. Thank you very much, Dennis. Do stay safe and healthy over there in Japan. You're facing two situations, the coronavirus and a stormy weather situation. Thank you so much. Do take care.
Thank you so much, Alma. You're welcome. Reporting from Tokyo, Japan, this is Dennis Lu reporting live for ASEAN in Focus. We live in interesting times.
And